Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with one of the grand opportunity for you. And now you can take intern Sala training. This is online training you can take from your home. And the specialty of this training is like if you want to buy one of the training and if you do that training, then the intern Sala is going to gift one of the training to needful learner, like needy learner on your behalf. So not only you are going to get the online training at very low prices in the one of the latest domain and technology, it is also one type of welfare you are going to do by taking this training. Already you can see on the page, I will show you. Okay, let me show you. Already you can see 792 person have bought the training, and on that behalf the intern Sala is providing this much number of training to the needy student like who are unable to pay the training courses charge. Okay, and if you are from this NGO and if you are member of this NGO, then definitely you are going to get the online training at free of cost because these partners are only going to recommend who are really needy student. Okay, so guys, you can see there are lots of latest technology courses on which you can take the domain training. Okay, so you can see all those Android development, programming in Python, program web development, ethical hacking. So all those there are varieties of I think all vertical industries training is available here, guys. And this intern Sala training is one of very popular training, so let me also show you about one of the training courses. Let me go to the Android app development. Okay, guys. And this training even come with like some of the project. You will do some project in along with the courses. However, completion of project is not mandatory to get the training. And guys, this is one link I am going to provide in the video description as well as comment section. Once you click on the link, you will get exclusive discount of 150 rupees. And guys, you can just enroll this training at like 1349 rupees. And I again repeat, the specialty of this training is you are going to help others. So if you buy one training, two training if you buy, then intern Sala is going to give two training to the needy people. So you can see highlights of training you can learn from your home, and there is video tutorial. So even you can download the tutorial and refer whenever you need in future. You will get certificate, even placement assistance you will get, and it is 8 week like training assess. Even you can get discussion form, you can ask your doubts, and always your doubts will be maximum solved within 24 hours. All those topic you can go and click and look into what are topic, what are things you are going to learn. Okay, guys, and even you are not bounded that you have to attend every day this training. No, guys, it is a recorded training, so it is very flexibility to you that you can uh, take your own time, you can plan your own schedule, and you can train yourself in these courses, this training, online training. Okay, guys, so how to pay, I will just mention. You go click on link, the link available in the description, video description. Select your date and give your mobile number, guys. And then after this coupon code will automatically come, and the objective you select and just click sign up. So once you click sign up, okay, it will navigate to your payment gateway, and you can do the payment using UPI, all those whatever Paytm, all those option is available, card, everything is available. Okay, guys, so use that. And regarding like if you want to apply for like free, if you want to get free training, if you are not able to like able to buy this training, then you can request for this online training. So you can go in question and answer. Have any doubt session, and you can get all those queries like how I can participate in it, who is eligible for free training. So you can see everything is here. uh, what type of certificate you will get. So guys, if you are like buying the training, then you will get training courses as well as your contribution certificate also you will get. Okay guys. So training certificate along with contribution certificate you will get as you are going to be helping hand. And I hope you are smart enough to go through this all. Okay. And if you are also knowing any student who is really not able to afford these charges for training, then kindly refer that person. He can apply or she can apply for this uh, online training and they can get help. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I again repeat, this is one of the best opportunity. You are getting online training in the latest domain courses at very minimum price, and also you are going to be one type of helping hand. So please grab this opportunity and help the needy people. Once again, thanks a lot. Please stay at home, stay safe, and stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. And please at least buy one training and offer one training to the needy people.